got here. I will try to cross this street. Let's see. We got a car right in the middle for no reason. And we will upload it. Yeah, let's upload that.